How to buy red light therapy token. So this token came under the symbol of red light. Now before I start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rules, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now this token created 5 hours ago, and as you can see, this token trending number 15 in the Solana section. Now I will show you how to buy this token. Now click here to copy the token address and open in front of wallet. For that, as you can see here, after that click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet before going and buy this token, and click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is also going to click on it and click on I understand, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So this is how much we will be able to receive that token. After that, select a provider by clicking on pricing, click on provider. Now select a Jupiter, click on apply and go back, and here you can click on swap, and after that you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy a red light token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.